Ladies and gentlemen, Ben Horowitz once said, whenever I meet a successful business leader, I ask them how they did it. Mediocre business leaders point out to their brilliant strategic moves or their intuitive self-business sense or a variety of other self-congratulatory explanations. However, the great business leaders tend to be remarkably consistent in their answers. They all say, I didn't quit. If you really think about it, great businesses are based on the pillars of perseverance, patience, perspiration, and pure preparation. Leading any business would signify leading yourselves effectively, leading others effectively, leading processes adeptly, leading your job aptly, leading your comrades despite difficulties and dilemmas, taking more shots at the goalpost, starting afresh whenever you feel like giving up or hitting a dead end, sharing success stories publicly with others, owning up to mistakes and goof-ups in a very candid way, consistently thinking of the next big thing without getting sucked up by the enamor of current success. So what do we deduce? Businesses need you to reinvent consistently and almost constantly rework, rewire, and reboot to stay relevant. And to win in the game of relevance, you need sound leadership. Leadership that can inspire and influence people to give their best, enhance confidence of teams to take on challenges boldly, get centered when dealing with self-doubts, innovate at a sonic speed, course correct with high agility, respond to market and changing context in a very nimble way. It is very demanding. Leaders lead businesses with their head, heart, and hands to the point of getting consumed by it. And we at Feather Touch have consistently believed in felicitating, celebrating, amplifying, and burgeoning spotlight on such leaders. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ridhima, and I extend a warm welcome to each one of you to Business Leadership Awards, a platform, a confluence, a convergence created to celebrate exemplary leaders from multifaceted fields who have led a visible delta in their sphere of business and area of influence. These leaders have impacted their fields significantly by introducing breakthrough and path-breaking practices, processes, products, and services with a monomaniacal focus and relentless execution to the point of creating a positive shift in the life of customers, clients, stakeholders, and employees. From automobile, BFSI, branding and marketing, to CSR, education, FMCG, healthcare, social media, and digital marketing, and much more. At Business Leadership Awards, we go an extra mile to spot, seize, solemnize, and salute the best of the best from multifarious and multifaceted fields. The Business Leadership Awards is a platform to recognize industry pioneers and leaders across various industries. For those creating a people and environment-oriented work culture with their exceptional leadership skills, while keeping a keen eye on their country's economy as well as their organizational goals. The awards are bestowed annually and are designed to encourage total improvement in each sector of our business. The Business Leadership Awards nominations are reviewed by industry peers and experts. The average score from the judges will decide the winner in each category. This transparent selection and evaluation process makes our platform bias-free, focused on pure merit, performance, and potential to create boundless possibilities in future. And now, to set context for this platform and to render his outlook and perspective for this illustrious event, let me call on our virtual stage Mr. Ankit Joshi, founder and CEO of Feather Touch Business Solutions.
Good evening, everyone. A very pleasant evening to one and all. I'm incredibly delighted to welcome you for the Business Leadership Awards. Thank you for being here with us today. On behalf of my team, I sincerely thank and acknowledge each and every one of you who extended help to us for making this event a grand success. Trust us, all of this would have been just a dream, if not for your immense support. I would like to thank and welcome our media partner, The Economic Times. The Business Leadership Award is a platform to recognize industry pioneers and leaders across various industries. For those creating people and environment-oriented work culture with their exceptional leadership skills while keeping a keen eye on their country's economy as well as their organizational goals. The awards are bestowed annually and are designed to encourage total improvement in each sector of our business. The Business Leadership Awards nominations are reviewed by the industry peers and experts. I would like to use this wonderful opportunity to thank our advisory member and jury team for taking this ceremony to new heights and creating a platform for the leaders. In the end, I'm extremely pleased to announce that the contribution of each and everyone present here has borne fruit. So I thank you all for coming together and adding more grace to this ceremony. I sincerely hope you will enjoy the Business Leadership Award ceremony. Thank you for your participation. I wish you all a good health, wealth, and success in your life. Thank you.
Thank you, Ankit, for that super impactful, supremely candid, and lucid speech. It really demonstrates your unstinted commitment to create an ecosystem that recognizes and extols the most extraordinary talent and creates a petri dish of excellence and pure ingeniousness. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to acknowledge the jury members who displayed utmost discipline and discretion at deciding and deducing the set of winners based on clear and conspicuous evaluation parameters. It is the credibility and eminence of these jury members which makes the entire Business Leadership Awards a promising and an aspirational platform for individuals, businesses, and organizations. We'd like to extend our heartfelt thank you to Mr. Sudipto Ghosh, Executive Director, Service and Support, Lenovo India, Dr. A.K. Tyagi, Executive Director, Haldiram Snacks Private Limited, Dr. Dinesh Upadhyay, National Co-Convener, Medical Cell BJP, Member of Governing Body, Mr. Ashwani Gupta, Group Head HR, ACP India Limited.
Hello friends, I am Ashwani Gupta, heading the HR department of ACB India Limited as Group Head HR. I have been honored to be part of the Business Leadership Award as veteran member. I am very much thankful to Mr. Ankit Joshi, CEO of the Feather Touch Business Solutions and media partner The Economic Times. Let me say to all award winners that award winning is not just getting a certificate and trophy. It gives motivation not only to them, but it gives motivation to their entire team to do the best in their work and career, and most importantly for their organization. So congratulations to all winners and hope they will continue their journey with the best of their professional contributions to their organizations and industries. I will also congratulate to the management of the Business Leadership Award, providing such a beautiful virtual platform to HR leaders, CFOs and CXOs of the industries and corporates. Thank you very much once again.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Business Leadership Awards 2021. Folks, they say creativity is about inventing, experimentating, growing, taking risks, challenging status quo, making mistakes, learning from those mistakes and ultimately creating products, services, and experiences that totally changes the lives of the customers. Here at Business Leadership Awards, we felicitate, acknowledge, venerate, extol, and exalt such individuals, professionals, entrepreneurs, leaders who have really charted their own growth journey by taking the path less taken and venturing into an uncharted territory. Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is for the best life insurance company for non-urban market. And the winner is Shriram Life Insurance Company Limited. It's a financial corporation founded by Mr. Ramamurthy, Mr. A.V.S. Raja, and Mr. T. Jayaraman in 1974, and it owns several group companies. They are preferred insurance provider in the rural market. Their diverse insurance plans cater to mass public and economically weaker section of society, and thus they're doing some path-breaking, some trailblazing work when it comes to financial inclusivity.
Hi, I am Dr. Radha Krishnan, Chief Marketing Officer of Shriram Life Insurance. We thank Feather Touch Business Solutions for this Business Leadership Award, and Shriram is thankful for the award for the best life insurance companies in the non-urban market. Shriram Life continues to focus on the common man segment in the Tier 2, Tier 4 cities, and we continue our journey in the service of the common man. Thanks Feather Touch Business Solutions. Thanks a lot.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are at the Business Leadership Awards 2021, where we are felicitating, extolling, and really acknowledging the best of the best business leaders, organizations, individuals, and professionals who are championing innovation and ingenious endeavors. Our next segment is BFSI Awards, and our first category under this segment is General Insurance Company of the Year for Large Private Sector, and the winner is Reliance General Insurance Company Limited. Our next category is Innovation and Emerging Technologies for Life, Health and General Insurance, and the winner once again is Reliance General Insurance and Company Limited for their trailblazing work around insurance, ensuring that your loved ones are kept safe and some way or the other we future-proof them. Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Wealth Manager of the Year. As they say, money makes money, but behind that money are also the set of wealth advisors who give you pivotal pieces of information, pivotal advices to amplify the impact of your money. And the winner in this category is Edelweiss Private Wealth for their admirable work for structured advisory.
We would like to thank the Economic Times and the Business Leadership Award jury for conferring the Best Wealth Manager Award for the year to Edelweiss Private Wealth. It is indeed a big moment for us to win such a prestigious award. It's also a testimony to the effort put in by our team and a validation of the trust and the faith that our clients have on us. Very happy to share that today we have crossed a big milestone of in our journey of 1,80,000 crores of AUA. These are client assets that are there with Edelweiss Wealth, and this would not have been possible without the support, the effort of both our team members and the customers who've been with us in this journey. Thank you so much.
Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Best BFSI Content of the Year, and the winner is Nippon India Mutual Fund. Our next category is Best BFSI Brand of the Year, and the winner once again is Nippon India Mutual Fund. Many congratulations, Nippon India, for your trailblazing work. Our next category, folks, is insurance inclusion in rural areas at an affordable price. Now, rural India, as we all know, forms a major contribution of India, and ensuring that we include them in insurance is a very pivotal part of financial inclusivity. And the winner in this category is Agriculture Insurance Company of India Limited.
My wholehearted thanks to esteemed jury members and organizers for choosing Agriculture Insurance Company as the best insurance inclusion in rural areas. I may say that during last 2 years, we have paid 20,000 crore of claims benefiting more than 2 crore farmers. Now we are bringing in satellite remote sensing technology in crop insurance solution. I hope that will usher in new innovative insurance solution, ensuring all our farmers in the country and moving towards Atmanirbhar Bharat, Atmanirbhar Kisan. Thank you.
Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is digital innovation and emerging technologies for financial services sector, and the winner is Fedbank Financial Services Limited.
Thank you very much for conferring the award for digital innovation and emerging technologies in the financial services sector upon us at FedFina. We made our first few forays into the digital space and in terms of digitizing all our operations to stay contemporary with the emerging trends. It's nice to receive this endorsement of our capabilities and our efforts. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next category is Chief Digital Officer of the Year, CDO of the Year. A Chief Digital Officer plays a very pivotal role and an instrumental role in ensuring that the right kind of brand signatures, that the right kind of messaging goes in the market in a language that people resonate with, in a language that people understand, and they play a very important role in building momentum, striking conversations digitally. And the winner of this category is Sivakumar Nandipati, Chief Digital Officer of Fedbank Financial Services Limited. Many congratulations, Mr. Nandipati.
Hi guys, 3 years back when I joined at FedFina as a Chief Digital Officer, I was the first digital employee. I understand it's a challenging task to create and build digital straight from the roots compared to manage an existing digital company. I accepted this challenge, hired the best stars, created innovative products using emerging technologies from the digital workspace, which gave best-in-class experience for the customers with a higher brand visibility at an optimized ROI. And in front of you all, I accept this award, CDO of the Year, with pride and honor. I thank jury for once again considering me for this award and my team at FedFina for placing this support and faith in my vision. Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to transition into our next segment, which is branding and marketing awards. In the times of digital infusion and social media effusion, attention span is at an all-time deficit. And here, branding and marketing practices and rituals play a very pivotal role in ensuring that they get the consumer's attention to their key messages and what they're trying to convey. Our first category under Branding and Marketing Awards is for Best Innovation Award, and the winner is Gaming, bringing mobile gaming to next billion, Now.GG. Congratulations. Gaming is a super huge realm which is gaining a lot of momentum and a base of consistent fans.
Hi all, this is Ashish Bhatnagar, Head of Brand and PR for Now.GG, the mobile cloud for game developer. We'd like to thank the prestigious Business Leadership Award for the great honor that they bestowed upon us. We're truly humbled and honored by this recognition, and we hope to continue to do it. Thank you guys.
Our next category is Best In-House Magazine, and the winner is Shreyas Magazine from Canara Bank.
Yeah, good morning. I am Alviya Prasad, Chief General Manager of Human Resources in Canara Bank in Bangalore. We are happy to participate in the Business Leadership Awards 2021 in the Best House Magazine category, organized by Feathertouch Business Solutions in tandem with Economics Times as a media partner. On behalf of Canara Bank, I thank all the organizers for giving this opportunity to participate in this event and promote our house magazine, Shreyas. Shreyas has won umpteen number of awards over the years for its design, layout, content, and we eagerly look forward to winning an award this year too. Thanks once again. My best wishes to all other participants.
Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Award for Brand Excellence in Construction and Real Estate, and the winner is Shriram Properties. Many congratulations to all the winners so far.
I'm glad to know that we've been awarded with Business Excellence Leadership Award by Economic Times, Best Construction Real Estate Brands 2021. And thank you Economic Times and the organization who have chosen us. This would not have been possible without the strong commitment and support of my team and the construction team and the workers on ground. This would not have been possible. Particularly during this pandemic, the kind of uncertainty people were dealing with, despite all that. So they stood up in delivering what we wanted. Thank you once again, Economic Times and the organization, for bestowing us with this great recognition. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the most important, the most pivotal, and the most deficient asset in the world is leadership. Our next category is a leader who has demonstrated exemplary practices. It's called Exemplary Leader Award. Someone who walked the talk and illuminated path for others. And the winner is Dr. Chandresh Agarwal, Managing Director, Middle East and Africa from Imerys Ceramics.
Great day to all. On this important day, I, Dr. Chandresh Agarwal, feel honored to receive this year Economic Times Business Leadership Exemplary Leader Award. I am happy and I say a big thanks to all my team, my colleagues, all leaders I work with, and my family who have supported me at all times. This award is a constant reminder that good work always appreciated, and I hope this journey will continue with all its up and down. Thank you once again, Economic Times and jury, for bringing a few more great moments in my life.
Our next category is Innovative Leader Award. If you think about it, innovation leads you to test the limits of possibility by getting into the impossible. While creativity is about thinking of new things, innovation really is about doing new and ingenious things at a breakneck speed. And this kind of accomplishment definitely deserves some kind of recognition. Our winner under this category is Dr. Bhasav Raj S. Patil, who is the Chief Technical Officer, Tiles for Rag Ceramics.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Bhasav Raj Patil and I am the Chief Technical Officer of RK Ceramics Global Operations. Firstly, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Economic Times and beloved organizing channel for considering me for this prestigious Innovative Leadership Award. RK Ceramics is the leading ceramic solution provider, which is one of the largest manufacturers in the world. We lead through manufacturing excellence and aspire to keep ourselves well advanced with the activities around the world. Thank you.
Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Viral Marketing Campaign of the Year. As the name suggests, it really acknowledges a marketing endeavor that created a residue in the minds of people on a very large scale at a very breakthrough level. The award goes to Smart Tire, Tire with a Brain by JK Tire and Industries Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelts, behold, and get ready, as the moment we have been waiting for is finally here, when we felicitate and celebrate our winners. Our first category is Best CFO Awards, Excellence in Remarkable Leverage Management. And the winner is Mr. Ashutosh Agarwal, Executive Director, Group Finance, Electrosteel Castings Limited. In the uncertain times, CFOs play an important role of maintaining the books and really explaining the cash flow. So they play a very critical and pivotal role. Congratulations, Mr. Agarwal. Our next category is Best Corporate Social Responsibility, that is CSR Awards. The CSR Leadership Award, and the winner is Ms. Rama Iyer, Director General, WPP India Foundation. They say the purpose of your life is to find your gift, and the meaning of your life is truly rendered when you share that gift with others. And that is the very spirit, the very intention of the CSR Award.
Hi, I'm Rama Iyer. I'm the Director General at WPP India Foundation. I'd like to thank Feather Touch Awards for this recognition. I think any win at a time like this is really significant. But like we always say at the foundation, the real winners are our children. So on behalf of all the children that we support, thank you again for the touch.
Market Excellence Sustainability is our next category, and the winner is Mr. Indranil Roy Chaudhary, AVP, Marketing and Sustainability, Create Energy India Private Limited.
may continue doing the best for the benefit of their life. Thank you once again.
Our next segment of awards, ladies and gentlemen, is about CSR. Yes, I'm talking about corporate social responsibility, which really gives profits and businesses a meaningful pursuits of uplifting others and really serving the people in the communities and contributing to them in a very productive manner. Our first category is Biomass Supply Chain Award, and the award goes to Make in India and Swachh Bharat. And this entire endeavor was led by Punjab Renewable Energy Systems Private Limited.
We at Punjab Renewable Energy Systems Private Limited, a veteran-led Jai Jawan to Jai Kisan entrepreneurial endeavor, are very proud and privileged to be bestowed with this award, and we look forward to a complete green energy revolution in connecting the farm to the factory and also heralding the causes of sustainable development goals, financial inclusion, Atmanirbhar Bharat, Swachh Bharat, and carrying the message forward for a better environment and a better health for the new generation. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Our next category is Carbon Footprint Accounting in an Energy Sector. And the winner is Create Energy India Private Limited once again. Keep up the great work going.
Thank you, Economic Times, for this award. As an organization, we are committed towards our partner for integration RE power in their process to reduce carbon footprint and to achieve their sustainable.
Our next category is Best CSR Practices. Basically, an amalgamation of supremely inspiring CSR initiatives, endeavors, and practices. And the winner is Education to Livelihood Initiative by WPP India Foundation. Our next category is Support and Improvement in Quality Education. And the winner, once again, is Education to Livelihood by WPP India Foundation. The next category is Best Corporate Social Responsibility Practices. Basically, an institution which set forth some really awe-inspiring, admirable, and adorable set of practices that became a benchmark. And the winner is Punjab National Bank. Many, many congratulations. As they say, the purpose of your life is to find your gift, but what truly gives meaning to your life when you share that gift with others. And corporate social responsibility is really about sharing the profits with others and creating a spirit of upliftment. Folks, our next category is FMCG Awards. FMCG, if you really ponder, are like retail that create an indelible space and impact in your mind, and they hold that space for a long time. The first category under FMCG Award is that of CEO of the Year. And the winner is Mr. Mohit Malhotra, Chief Executive Officer, Dabur India Limited. Congratulations, Mr. Malhotra. I'm sure you've played an instrumental, pivotal, really noteworthy role in handling the mantle of Dabur and taking it places the way it has gone today. Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is in the realm of food and grocery awards. As they say, belly rules the mind. So what you eat becomes crucial at how you deliver at work. And this segment really acknowledges the trendsetters in the food and grocery segment. So our first category under this segment is Young Food and Grocery Professional of the Year under 35, and the winner is Shrenik Sanjay Ghodawat, Managing Director, Ghodawat Consumer Private Limited. Many congratulations, very well deserved.
Business leadership in the food and grocery category. I'm absolutely delighted to take this award on behalf of Ghodawat Consumer Products. As a group, we have continued to do developments in the consumer business, and we will continue to focus on giving better products and services to our consumers in the time to come. Thank you.
Our next category is Food and Grocery E-Commerce Person of the Year, and the winner is Aseem Asrani, Director, Good Food Retail Private Limited.
I would like to thank the jury for this recognition. Suresh Kumar and Company Impex Private Limited is India's largest importer and distributor of processed food products. We started the e-commerce division in 2019, which I have been leading ever since. With a much smaller division, focused only to ensure our presence on e-commerce platform, to a fully fledged division which employs more than 50 people in 3 different cities. We are coming along. We have faced the lockdowns and pandemics and have come out much stronger. Today, e-commerce is our primary platform and medium to communicate with our customers. We have implemented various softwares and technologies to understand consumer behavior and to manage our inventory and prices. I'd like to dedicate this award to our entire e-commerce division who has worked throughout the pandemic to ensure seamless supplies. Thank you.
Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Best Gourmet Brand of the Year, and the winner is Abby's, Suresh Kumar and Company, Impex Private Limited. Alright, it's now time to transition and segue into the next set of awards, which is for the Healthcare Awards. As they say, health is the real wealth, and it's time to felicitate and laud the avant-garde pioneers of the healthcare industry. Our first category under the Healthcare Awards is Emerging Brand of the Year, and the winner is Cetaphil BHR by Galderma Dentsu X. Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Best Premium Skincare Brand. I know the importance of skincare, so I really want to acknowledge our next winner, which is again Cetaphil by Galderma from Dentsu X. Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Home Healthcare Brand. Basically, a brand that made healthcare accessible to people within the confines of their home. And this award goes to SRL Diagnostics for doing some really noteworthy and admirable work in ensuring that they really address the pain points of their customers.
We are equally delighted as well as humbled to receive the award of Best Home Healthcare Brand at the Economic Times Business Leadership Awards. Home, as we all know, is the new and emerging frontier in healthcare, and at SRL Diagnostics, we are truly committed to really make a difference to our consumers in this space. This award is validation of those particular efforts and is also motivation for SRL Diagnostics to redouble its efforts to delight its consumers.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next category is CEO of the Year. If you really think about it, in these tough and uncertain times, CEOs really proves to be the captain of the ship who ensure that the ship sails through the tough winds and tough waves. And the winner of this category is G. Satyanarayanan, Managing Director, South Asia from Galderma India Private Limited. Many congratulations, very well deserved.
Hello everyone, I am grateful to receive the CEO of the Year Award and the Brand Leadership Awards of 2021. I'd like to thank Ankit Joshi and the jury members for organizing this Brand Leadership Awards in association with Economic Times. I am happy to be a part of this initiative where we are celebrating the success of instrumental leaders. As a company, we are grateful to receive Emerging Brand of the Year for Cetaphil BHR range and the Best Premium Skincare Brand for Cetaphil. It's an honor for the entire Galderma team to receive such a prestigious recognition for the efforts that inspires us to keep the mission on, to serve our customers and provide the best-in-class skincare brands. I'd like to thank my entire team at Galderma for the fantastic 2% contribution. I dedicate this award to them. Congratulations to all the other winners. I'm hoping to see all of you face to face with me next year. Thank you.
Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is for the Best Marketer Award. A marketer is someone who gets the attention of its audience, its prospective customers in a very meaningful way. In a way that the customers draw something meaningful from all the engagements. And the winner of this category is Mr. Sunil Nath, Head E-Commerce and Digital Marketing of Galderma India Private Limited. Many congratulations, Sunil.
Celebrating success on all individuals and companies of our industries. And at Galderma, we are basically committed to having a vision to provide a best-in-class speaking skincare products for our customers, which can be opportunities. Listen, congratulations to all the members and customers in China. And I hope to see you guys next year, Christmas Sunday.
Our next category under this segment is Best Medical Devices Companies. Now, as you all know, medical devices play a pivotal and almost crucial role in diagnosing the diseases, right? In getting the indication and symptoms of any underlying condition, right? So it is a very instrumental award here. And the winner is B. Braun Medical India Private Limited for their pioneering work when it comes to medical devices and diagnostics.
So thank you very much, VP, for this humbling recognition. It's indeed a matter of pride because this year this will be our 7th award, which is a testimony to the wonderful colleagues, 2000 plus that we have in Beacon India. We feel extremely honored and blessed to be able to lead this team. Thanks once again for this recognition.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you think about it, humans are the real assets of any organization, of any company. Human resource department are truly the custodian of these assets, and they ensure that they build, nurture, and sustain them. It's time to acknowledge the set of exemplary human resources professionals who are doing some phenomenal work when it comes to managing and thriving the organizational talent and culture. It's time for HR Awards. And the first category under HR Award is Best Advance in Employee Engagement, and the winner is Writer Information.
Hi, super happy to have won the Leadership Award under the category Best Advance in Employee Engagement. We are currently in the people process transformation phase at Writer Information, and this award comes in at the right time as it validates our new employee engagement initiatives at Writer Information. So on behalf of Writer Information, I accept this award, and we look forward to winning many more awards, and we look forward to making us an organization of choice. So thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next category is Innovation Awards. If you really reflect, innovation requires creativity, and creativity requires a wild mind and a disciplined eye. Like Pablo Picasso once said, that you need to learn the rules of the game like a pro and break them like an artist. And that is what is the essence of Innovation Award. Our category is called Innovation Excellence Award, and the winner is Engineering for Scale by L&T Technology Services.
On behalf of L&T Technology Services, or LTTS, a big thank you to the Business Leadership Awards for conferring such a prestigious accolade to us. At LTTS, the culture of innovation and the culture of engineering excellence is integral to the organization's success. And this award is a testament to the brilliant efforts of our 16,000 engineers who have devised a range of innovations for industries across the world. At LTTS, we wish to continue this association with Business Leadership Awards in the coming years as well. Thanks once again.
Our next segment is Innovation Awards. Now, as we all know, innovation is the ability to see change as an opportunity and not as a threat. So our category under this segment is Best Innovation in Agricultural Equipment Business, and the winner is Supreme Equipments Private Limited for their supremely impressive innovation in their realm of work. So a big congratulations to all the winners. We are at the Business Leadership Awards 2021, where we are felicitating, lauding, extolling the endeavors of trailblazers, pioneers for doing some breathtakingly spectacular work, leading ingenious and innovative endeavors in their dominion, in their realm of work. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Shailendra Awasthi, Managing Director of Supreme Equipments Private Limited. Ours is a very dynamic, passionate, fast-growing company, having presence pan-India and working in many other countries as well. Thank you, Economic Times Business Leadership Award 2021 for choosing us and honoring us with this very, very special award. this award really means a lot to us. Such award really motivates you to excel and to do better things into the business, and also helps you in taking your company to different dimension altogether. Thank you once again for recognizing Supreme's contribution this year.
Our next category is the IoT Awards, which is called the Internet of Things. When the world becomes highly connected by cloud, by digital endeavors, and yet we need a human connection to keep it going. Connected Car Platform of the Year. And the winner is eVolts by L&T Technology Services. Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is for Most Innovative Product of the Year. Product that disrupted the market, product that changed the life of the customers, product which solved a wicked problem. And the winner is Vani and eDAS product. Our next category is Tech Startup of the Year, and the award once again goes to Eureka Digitization and Automation Services, eDAS. I'm sure they're doing a stunning spectrum of work and whopping so many awards together. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at the Business Leadership Awards 2021, and it's time for segueing into another segment, which is IT Awards or the Information Technology Awards. Ladies and gentlemen, it is said that technology is best when it brings people together. Our next set of awards, called the IT Awards, intends to bring and felicitate, laud and extol those set of individuals who have broken the mold to deliver path-breaking work in the realm of technology. Let's get started with IT Awards. Our first category is Startup Leader of the Year. It is a significant category because you see, ideas are easy to think of, but their implementation is hard. And this startup leader has not only excelled in an astonishing manner in terms of execution, but has also rendered deep relevance for its customers and its consumers alike. The winner is Abhinav Arora, Chief Executive Officer of Eureka Digitization and Automation Services, also known as eDAS.
Hello everyone. Thank you, Feather Touch's team, the Economic Times Group and the jury for choosing eDAS as the Tech Startup of the Year. Today, the products which are created by eDAS are adding immense value to all its clients for their customer experience journey. Our signature product Vani, which has been chosen as the most innovative product of the year, is a great combination of call center as a service through its dialing technology, along with quality assurance tools, backed up by a knowledge management system, and then deriving a lot of customer insight through its business intelligence unit. I would also personally like to thank the jury for choosing me as the Startup Leader of the Year, and on behalf of the entire eDAS team, we promise the entire fraternity to add a lot of value in creating products which can actually transform the customer experience for future. Thanks a lot.
Time for our next category, which is Best Cloud Infrastructure. If you think about it, cloud computing is the third wave of digital revolution. And we want to acknowledge the pace setters of cloud computing and infrastructure. And the award for this category of Best Cloud Infrastructure goes to Pi Data Centers Private Limited. Many congratulations for your stellar job.
I am Kalyan Mupanini, CEO and founder of Pi Data Centers. At the onset, I would like to thank you for honoring Pi as the best cloud infrastructure company. As the leader of the pack, I am truly privileged to accept this award. HarborOne, our enterprise cloud, is India's first indigenous cloud platform. In the last 6 years, it has grown to be synonymous for delivering great operational efficiency, zero downtime, and high availability. During the toughest phase of COVID-19, when everything came to a standstill and reachability was an issue, HarborOne played a decisive role in ensuring our clients are seamlessly operational with zero disruption. Today, we are proud to mention that some of the most complex businesses run on our cloud platform, HarborOne, and as we continue to excel in this space. Thank you all.
Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Logistics Award. And the category is called Business Leader of the Year for Logistic and Supply Chain. And the winner is Miss Sunila Yadav, Managing Director, Anil Mantra Logistics Private Limited. Our next category is Supply Chain Professional of the Year. And the winner is Mr. Rubal Jain, Managing Director, Safe Express Private Limited. A big congratulations to all the winners, all the trailblazing individuals who are keeping their supreme performance at the forefront consistently, despite all the odds, converting excuses into results and difficulties into opportunities, and making sure success becomes their best friend. On this note, our next category under the logistic category is called the Best Complete Solution Provider for Supply Chain, Logistic or Warehousing. And the winner once again is Anil Mantra Logistic Private Limited. Many congratulations. Our next category is Best Supply Chain Company. And the winner, ladies and gentlemen, is Safe Express Private Limited. A big congratulations to all the winners under the category of logistics, because no matter how brilliant your idea is, no matter what is the merit of the promise of the idea that you bring to the table, if it doesn't reach the customers, it's of no value, and logistics makes it possible. Time to move on to the next segment of awards, which is for manufacturing. Welcome to Manufacturing Awards. Ladies and gentlemen, the landscape of manufacturing has evolved over the years where companies which have been able to integrate technology and automation in their thread of manufacturing seem to have an edge over the others. In this category of manufacturing awards, we are recognizing the efforts of organizations who are leading, captivating, impeccable, and consummate practices which are ahead of their time. So the category is Manufacturer of the Year, and the winner is KS Balakrishna, SETI Designated Partner Srinivas Sugandalia BNG LLP.
Good morning everyone. On this special occasion of the Business Leader Awards 2021, I am deeply honored for recognizing and nominating me for the pride of upholding the prestigious Manufacturer of the Year 2021 award organized by the Economic Times. I would also like to duly recognize each and every support team of my company, Srinivas Sugandalia, BNG LLP, on whom my success rides. As I always believe, one for all and all for one. It is hard to put this feeling into words. Once again, I am thankful to Economic Times for conferring this award, which gives lot of motivation to me and my company. Thank you.
Our next category is Award for Excellence in Manufacturing Practices, and the award goes to Atmanirbhar Bharat, Make in India Endeavor, Satya Earth Export Oriented Unit of Srinivas Sugandalia BNG LLP Limited. Our next set of awards, ladies and gentlemen, is for real estate, meaning real estate awards. It is said that you don't wait to buy real estate, you actually buy real estate and then you wait. And what is also observed is that buyers decide in the first 8 seconds of seeing a home if they're interested in buying it or not. Our set of winners in this category have fully listened, observed, and sensed what their buyers want, and they have provided all the dream amenities of their buyers in its full throttle. Our first category is Luxury Project of the Year, and the winner is Altair VTP Realty.
Good evening everyone, and thank you very much for the Business Leadership Awards 2021 by Economic Times. We have won the Best Luxury Project of the Year for VTP Altair in Kharadi, Pune. We believe it's an extraordinary product for the very discerning audience, and we're seeing a lot of success for this product here in Pune. And having won this recognition and award, thank you again, and many congratulations to all the other winners today.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we move on to our next category, which is Best Real Estate Company of the Year. And the winner is Goel Ganga Group. Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Excellence in Delivery. You see, excellence is no accident. It's a habit, it's an attitude that is prevalent, that can be seen in every aspect of any developer. And the winner in this category is Chandak Group. So many congratulations to Chandak Group and all the winners so far in the realm of real estate.
Thank you Economic Times for awarding Chandak Group with excellence of delivery, and we as a Chandak Group, every member of Chandak Group work not only towards the delivery of the project but on-time delivery of the project, and by doing this we abide by our tagline, promises made, promises kept. Thank you very much once again Economic Times for awarding us with such a prestigious award. Thank you.
Our next category is Developer of the Year Residential, and the winner once again, take a bow, is VTB Realty.
Hi, I am Sachin Mandari, CEO of VTB Realty. We thank the Business Leadership Awards by Economic Times for honoring us with the award as the Developer of the Year, and we are very happy for receiving this award. It is a testimony of our three-tier philosophy that we follow at VTB Realty. Better design, better build and better care, through which we ensure that our customers get the best product and obviously the best service at the same time, which is quite uncommon in this industry. While we have been setting records in terms of sales every year, hopefully we will also set the record this year in terms of the maximum delivery, which is not done by any developer in the city ever. With this, we also plan to be the #1 brand in the city in the coming times ahead. Thank you once again for this encouragement.
Our next category is Developer with focus on sustainability. Basically a developer who is not only taking care of profits but is also taking care of planet by being responsible, by inducing practices which are suitable for environment. And the winner under this category again goes to Chandak Group.
Hello everyone, I would like to thank Economic Times for recognizing Chandak Group as a developer with focus on sustainability. So most of our developments are Indian Green Building Council certified. So the objective here is to provide with a holistic approach and facilitating environment friendly buildings with sustainability and energy efficiency. So that we can conserve the environment for our future generations, and we would want to continue with this practice. Once again, I would like to thank Economic Times for recognizing this. Thank you.
Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Brand Excellence in Real Estate and Construction. And the winner is Signature Global. Many, many congratulations, Signature Global.
Thank you, Business Leadership Award 2020 and Economic Times. सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल ने हाउसिंग फॉर ऑल के तहत जो काम किया उसको रिकॉग्नाइज करने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल हाउसिंग फॉर ऑल के मिशन में लगा हुआ है और कोशिश कर रहा है कि हर परिवार को एक घर मिले। आपने हमारी इस मुहिम को सराहा, इसके लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is for Integrated Township of the Year. A township with best amenities, best facilities, best environment, best milieu, and best ambience. And the winner is Blue Waters by VTB Realty, who are continuing their trailblazing efforts when it comes to real estate.
Thank you very much, the Economic Times and Business Leadership Awards 2021 for honoring us with the Best Integrated Township of the Year for Blue Waters. This is perhaps VTB Realty's absolute bestseller township in Pune, perhaps across all projects in Pune put together, the fastest selling project, fastest selling township And I think we are extremely proud to have brought this offering in the market. We have over 4,000 customers, 4,000 families that have already chosen this project. It has truly revolutionized Malunge, and it has been a major success story for B2B Realty. So thank you once again, and congratulations to all the other winners tonight.
Our next category is Developer of the Year for Residential REM, and the winner is Eldeco Infrastructure and Properties Limited.
Thanks for recognizing Eldeco from the Business Leadership Awards to select us as the best residential developer across the country. I'm actually glad that you guys actually recognize the kind of townships which we have developed and the focus which we have kept on sustainability and quality, which has taken further the brand to the next level. This particular award will help us to achieve and improve on whatever we have delivered today. Thank you again. It's indeed an honor to receive this award.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next category is called the Real Estate Awards. And under this, we have our first category, which is Commercial Property of the Year. Property that created a distinction. Property that got registered in the minds of the people to the extent that they wanted to invest on it. A property which comes with the features of world-class amenities and convenience that has not been seen before. And the winner is Unicorn Andheri West by Chandak Group.
Hello everyone, thank you very much Economic Times for awarding Chandak Unicorn as a prestigious commercial project of the year. This is really a proud moment to all of us. It's a really proud moment to entire Chandak Group. Before launching this particular project, we have really understood the need gap analysis in this micro market. We are thoroughly done with the entire market research in this particular market. We understood the market very well, and that's the main reason behind whatever the success we have achieved today. Thank you very much Economic Times once again for giving us this particular pride moment. Thank you very much.
Folks, now comes a very prestigious category, which is CEO of the Year. A leader who took on to the mantle when the times were tough, when the waves were not in the direction, when the headwinds were somehow stronger than the tailwinds. And yet, this exemplary leader walked the talk and created results and not relied on excuses. The winner of this category is Mr. Sachin Bhandari, Chief Executive Officer of VTP Realty. Once again, congratulations to the entire VTP Realty team led by the unstoppable Mr. Sachin Bhandari.
Hi, I am Sachin Bhandari, CEO of VTP Realty. Many thanks to the Business Leadership Awards by Economic Times for choosing me as the CEO of the Year. I believe that the leader is as good as the team. So I am honored to take this award on behalf of the entire team of VTP, who has been working hard every single day and following our stringent processes right from designing of the project and selling it to the customer with the right commitments and fulfilling and delivering it with the right quality and on time. So it's been an honor to be the CEO of the Year, and I promise here once again that the team of VTP Realty is gearing up further to sell more, build more, deliver more with the best quality in the market. Thank you.
The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Business Leader of the Year in the realm of real estate. A leader who pioneered some trend-setting practices, a leader who challenged the status quo, a leader who carved their own path, and the winner is Sri Ram Khattar, Managing Director, Rental Businesses from DLF Limited. Congratulations, sir.
Good evening. I am Sriram Khatta, Managing Director of DLF's Rental Businesses. On behalf of DLF and on my own behalf, I wish to thank the eminent jury, the Economic Times and the sponsors for this prestigious award. I also wish to congratulate all the other winners. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, time for our next category, which is Real Estate Professional of the Year. A professional who exemplifies professionalism, discipline, taking the leap of faith, and really walking the talk and not only doing the talk. The winner of this category is Mr. Atul Goyal, Managing Director, Goyal Ganga Group. Many, many congratulations, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, our next category is Corporate Communication Professional of the Year. If you think about it, corporate communication plays an instrumental role in the way a brand gets communicated, a brand gets perceived by the audience, and most importantly, the way the brand engages with its audience. And our winner in this category, that stellar professional, is Divya Puri, Vice President Corporate Communication from DLF Limited. Many, many congratulations to all the winners in the category in the realm of real estate. Time to move on to the next segment of awards, which is Retail Awards. Folks, it is said that retail is detail, where people don't buy goods and services. They buy relations, they buy stories, they buy magic. Our next set of winners epitomize magical stories weaved for their customers, where their service stays forever imprinted in the customer's head and heart. Our first category under this segment is Exemplary Women Leadership Award, and the winner is Ms. Pushpa Bector, Executive Director, DLF Retail.
Hello everyone, this is Pushpa Bector, Executive Director of DLF Retail. Thank you Economic Times for this wonderful honor. It's incredible to receive this honor from a prestigious organization like Economic Times. And thank you jury. It's been 15 years with DLF Malls, curating all the malls that we have today. And the journey has been not just challenging but also exciting. The one message that I'd like to give to young women out there is to really persevere and not think that there is any glass ceiling that exists. Persevere, have talent, grit and passion. The world is your oyster. Thank you.
Our next category is Award for Brand Excellence in Retail Sector, and the winner is Tata Vyron from Tata Steel Limited.
Thank you Economic Times and the jury of the Business Leadership Awards. I am honored to represent the team of Tata Vyron on this platform. Tata Vyron is synonymous with the quality steel wire products we supply to various consumer segments, including automotive, infrastructure and retail, thereby commanding a market leadership in the industry. We aspire to grow and create a stronger tomorrow for us all, driven by the principles of product innovation, digital processes, and of course, sustainability. We at Tata Vyron are only taking baby steps in our journey, and we are happy to receive this award. This is a pat on our backs on our journey as customer citizens.
time to transition into the next set of awards at the Business Leadership Awards 2021, where we are recognizing, acknowledging, lauding, extolling extraordinary efforts of seemingly ordinary people who have high ambition and the zest to make impossible possible. Our next set of segment is on shopping mall awards. If you logically think about it, I feel shopping malls may be like religious places visited mostly by atheists. Only few people buy, others just hang out, and you will pass more people at the shopping mall than our ancestors saw during their entire lifetimes. For some people, it's their meeting place. For some people, it's their hangout place. For some people, it's their eating place at the food court, and for some people, it is also their workout place. And for some people, it's the mecca for their shopping. Our first category under this segment is Best Health and Safety Initiative for Public Domain. And the winner is Phoenix Market City, Bangalore. Congratulations, Phoenix Market City, for pioneering and championing the effort of safety in shopping malls, which has tremendous footsteps of people and footprint of people coming and visiting that place with a lot of trust. And now, ladies and gentlemen, moving on to our next set of awards, which is for social media and digital awards. Folks, it is said, ever since the infusion of social media and digital in our lives, the average attention span has reduced from 20 minutes to about 3.5 minutes. I would say that is also an exaggeration. I think it's up to 2 minutes. The fact of the matter is, there are very few players, few channels in the social media and digital realm which come up with campaign that really seize your attention and also leaves a positive residue in your mind and your heart. Our first category under social media and digital award is Best Multi-Channel Integrated Campaign, and the winner is Pinaki and Happy, the Bhoot Bandhus, launched by Nickelodeon India, Viacom 18 Media Private Limited. Many congratulations to Viacom 18 for coming up with such an engaging content that really seizes attention. Our next category is Best Multi-Channel Integrated Campaign, and the winner is Nickelodeon Yoga Se Hi Hoga 2020 by Nickelodeon India, and the campaign has been organized by Viacom 18 Media Private Limited. Once again, many congratulations to Viacom 18 Media Private Limited for creating, curating, and crafting digital campaigns that have a long-term impact. All right, ladies and gentlemen, moving on, our next category is Best Brand Marketing Campaign. And the winner is the Nickelodeon Kids' Choice Awards 2020 by Nickelodeon India. And this entire experience was crafted and curated by Viacom 18 Media Private Limited. I just want to say this. Take a bow to Viacom 18 Media Private Limited for their 3 consecutive wins. Your wins really are a testimony to your commitment, to your craft of creating digital experiences that create a long-term impact and have an adhesive-like residue etched in the minds of people. Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Youth Marketing Campaign of the Year. With over 65% of people in India under the age of 35 and over 50% of the population of India under the age of 25, creating campaigns that really resonate and create a reverberation and residue in the mind of the young India is certainly not an easy feat. And the award for this category goes to Futurist Gaming 2020, an endeavor led by Dell India. Congratulations, Dell India, for always challenging the status quo and coming up with the most ingenious experiences when it comes to marketing campaigns. Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Best Overall Use of Social Media, which is really out there, but very few people know how to leverage it well. And the winner is Dwen Webinars Activation 2020, led by Dell India. Congratulations, Dell India, once again. Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Best Launch of the Year. And this award goes to XPS Launch 2020, led by, once again, Dell India. Many, many congratulations to Dell India for building such ingenious, such captivating avant-garde experiences which really disrupt the life of customers and make their life easy. Our next category is the Best Brand Marketing Campaign. And once again, it goes to Nickelodeon for their hashtag Home OK Please. Nickelodeon India, organized by Viacom 18 Media Private Limited. Many, many congratulations to Viacom 18 Media Private Limited for creating such inspiring work in the realm of digital and social media campaigns. Our next category is Best Social Media Marketing Campaign, and the winner is Nickelodeon Kids' Choice Awards 2020, Nickelodeon India by Viacom 18 Media Private Limited. Many, many congratulations to Viacom 18 Media Private Limited for creating experiences that have a long-term residue. Our next category is Leading Sports Brand of the Year, and the winner is Lotto Sport from SSIPL Group.
Hi, my name is Dharmendra Khanna and I head Lotto Sports in India. I thank the jury of Business Leadership Award and Mr. Ankit for considering Lotto as leading sportswear brand of 2021. Thanks a lot.
Ladies and gentlemen, our next category is Best Motivational Video or Video Series, and the award goes to Dwen Women's Day 2020, again led by Dell India. Dell India, take a bow. Really acing excellence at every minute, every second, every hour, every day, and every year is certainly not an easy feat. You truly epitomize the importance of consistent hard work and consistency and delivering results come what may. Social media and networks aren't really about fancy looking websites or these high-tech applications. They are about weaving experiences. Our next set of winners have been able to build some stellar and supremely engaging yet simple experiences that really seizes the attention of people. Our first category under this segment is Woman at Work Excellence Award, and the winner is Miss Aisha Chinoy, founder and chairperson at Rep India. As they say, women are at the center, at the beginning, and in the end of all great things, and I think Miss Aisha, you truly epitomize that. Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Digital Person of the Year. And the winner of this digitally savvy category is Mr. Dharmender Khanna, Brand Head and Lead Digital Transformation at SSIPL Lifestyle Private Limited.
Hi, my name is Dharmender Khanna, and I thank the jury of Business Leadership Awards and Mr. Ankit Joshi for considering me for the Digital Person of the Year award this year. And I look forward to contributing more to the retail industry, evolving it more digitally and now digitally. Thanks a lot.
Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Young Entrepreneur of the Year under 35 years of age. Entrepreneurship is a journey in which you set the destination, you have the GPS, you can maneuver the speed, but you are dependent on weather to make it all happen. It's not easy, and it only makes sense to acknowledge the efforts of young entrepreneurs who serve as an inspiration for others. Our winner under this category is Archit Chinoy, Chief Executive Officer at Rep India. All right, ladies and gentlemen, time to segue and transition into the next category, which is the Best Solar Awards. If you must have noticed, we have spoken a lot about environment, about carbon footprint, about companies and organizations which are keeping environments in mind before they manufacture a product, a service, or create an offering. So it's very important that we also kind of recognize organizations who are leveraging solar energy in some way or the other. And the first category under our solar awards is Sustained Excellence in Solar Energy, and the winner is Solex Energy Limited. Many, many congratulations.
Hello and Namaste. On behalf of Solex Energy Limited, I thank the jury and organizers for recognizing our efforts and choosing us for the Business Leadership Awards 2021 in the category of Sustained Excellence in Solar Energy. At Solex, our strong belief in sustainable and inclusive growth has resulted in many successes in India. Our growth plan for the next decade will surely make an impact in Indian and international market. We have been able to achieve this due to unconditional support from Team Solex, our board members, and faith of our shareholders. Once again, thank you very much and Jai Hind.
And it's time for the next set of awards, which are the Telecom Awards. And under this, we have the category called Excellence in Corporate Governance. Corporate governance are like toll gatekeepers which ensure that you have the right kind of information going in the organization and the right kind of output going outside the organization to the customers. To say that they are those guards, those custodians which keep the integrity and honesty of an organization, of a process intact, it won't be wrong. And this award goes to Ascent Telecom Infrastructure Private Limited.
On behalf of my Ascent colleagues, board and shareholders, I thank ET and their associates for bestowing this wonderful award for excellence in corporate governance. We at Ascent are honored to be recognized on this floor. All stakeholders at Ascent take great pride not just in their work, but also in devoting their time, effort, and energy to improve the social and economic life of communities they serve. Telecom infrastructure is an integral part of every economy and society. The importance was clearly visible during the pandemic, when all facets of life, from healthcare to education to consumer deliverables to entertainment, were successfully delivered on the telecom network. One aspect of corporate governance, sustainability and social responsibility, is very close to our heart. Ascent, as a responsible organization, has been consciously building its business on the fundamentals of meeting our development goals consciously, aligned to our responsibility towards clean and green environment. To this effect, we have built a cost-effective green portfolio by increasing our solar footprints, wind chimneys, and reducing diesel consumption, and effectively managing our CO2 GHG emissions within the set standards. This model has now become the benchmark in the industry. Our aim at Ascent is sustainable development of all stakeholders. Corporate governance is implemented through internal policies on code of ethics, transparency in doing business, external and internal financial controls by the Big Four, providing a fair and just working environment for the workforce. We believe in giving back to the communities we serve. Ascent takes pride in implementing environmental, social, and governance guidelines, both within and outside, including our business partners and vendors. Adherence and compliance of focused ESG program gives us the confidence that contribution of our bit will further the cause of sustainable world to live in. Sustained growth with value creation for all stakeholders and a unique position of a world-class organization are a testimony of good governance at Ascent. This award would be a great motivator for us at Ascent. Thank you very much.
Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is Women Icon of the Year, and this prestigious award goes to Dr. Sharmila Amin, Chairperson and Member Board, Globe Forwarding Agencies Private Limited. Many congratulations, Dr. Amin. Let me also tell you all that she is a Customs Rule 9 license holder, a seasoned industry veteran. She has a proven track record in expanding and consolidating logistics operations in the emerging markets. She has executed numerous projects in the realm of power generation, petrochemical, fertilizer, automobile, oil and gas, and other core industry sectors. Which is why I often quote this thing by Dr. Alfonso de Martini, a French philosopher, who said, "Woman is at the beginning of, at the middle of, and at the ending of all great things, because for great things to happen, you need a person of patience, perseverance, with a lot of virtues, and I think women exude that in every sense of the word." With this, ladies and gentlemen, we come towards the culmination of the Business Leadership Awards, where we always felicitate and acknowledge disruptors, people who change lives of the customers, people who are coming up with something new, something disruptive, something truly ingenious, and have the courage to take their creativity to an invention, to an innovation, and make it commercially viable and accessible to people. Folks, Robert Jarvik once said that leaders are visionaries with a poorly developed sense of fear and no concept of the odds against them. We at Business Leadership Awards have an aspiration, a mission, and an irrevocable purpose to engage with and celebrate such leaders. Thank you so much for joining us today. Hope to see you soon on the other side for the other eminent award show.